Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, I recommend to check your battery level. It should be at least above 20 or 30%, because if the watch dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery is charged. Then to factory reset our watch, we need to open the settings, and to do that we can press and hold the lower button. Once the menu opens, we can select the system option and then scroll down, find the option called more settings and tap on it. And here we need to scroll down, find the option called reset and tap on it, of course, and then tap on factory reset and confirm by pressing the crown button. And let's wait until the reset is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.